Hello, welcome everybody. Welcome to my unique creation. I'm Dorothea and I'm back with another journal. This time it's a poppy journal with a beautiful poppy image on the front. And as usual, I decorate the pockets a little and I leave it as a pocket because I think it's looking nice with a little decoration hanging out of the pockets. This is just a little card where there is some space to write in. There's a beautiful red ribbon, and let's take a look inside. On the front there is a beautiful poppy image. These digitals, well, most of the digitals are from Digital Mandragora in this poppy journal, and inside there is a card with a poppy stamped on it. Then my first two pages are normally some dictionary pages, and there is some interesting pages, some lined, and some other pages. That's a poppy photograph of a poppy field. And I like to fold my pages so it can be more space for writing. Yes, and there are some printed pages and some numbers. I thought they look nice in there. And there is some interesting pages. And here is a pocket and a tag spot. In the pocket there are two tags, poppy tags. This is my husband's photograph, and this is from Digital Mandragora, and this one also from Digital Mandragora, and this is from Style 24 Designs. There are some empty pages inside the journals. I do it on purpose so people can decorate them by themselves. This is a tag spot, which is also my husband's image. Inside I just left a little card and paper. It's kind of a vintage looking paper that I purchased on the internet. There are some interesting pages, a red page and some lined pages, and in the middle I found this paper on my paper pad, and I thought it went well with the red theme, and it says I love you in the middle. This is a mushroom sticker there, and this image I stuck down. This image also my husband's image. We are trying to make some digital of our own, so hopefully soon we're gonna share with you guys. This is a red page. This is a beautiful poppy stamp. That's an interesting page, and this is a belly band. This is from my Porch Prints, and this is from Digital Mandragora, the little poppies. And inside the belly band we find another paper, and another little card which decorates the belly band like that. Well, inside the belly band. And there are some empty pages. There is a beautiful poppy stamp. And this is a tuck spot. And there are two little cards in there. Little poppy cards in there. Then there's just some pages with writing on it. And this is my little circles that I make to hold some pages or just to decorate the page. It can be moved. That's the good thing about it, that it can be moved and put into another page. There is a card there, which they made a mistake again. I think I saw it before this also. Then these are my words. Words like this. So I just put them in a little tea bag. Some words. Oh yes, and there is the little card at the back also. Some printed images. And my last two pages are the dictionary pages. I have a French dictionary from 1985 and I use the pages. And on my journal cover at the back there is this beautiful poppy image that I cut out and stuck there. I think it's really beautiful. And I also just made a card with cardstock paper, and I stamped some poppy images there. Well, a poppy image, and that's it. That's my poppy journal. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you like my little journals and ideas. And please feel free to let me know, or if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer. And I hope to see you soon, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.